The Facebook transparency tool is something that is very important, especially if you want to see how your competitors or any page is doing. So you just go to the page, right? And then you go to About Us, and then you will see it here. But that has now moved. So where has it now moved to? That is what this video is about. So all you need to do is just come here. Once you come to the page that you want to check if they are running ad, just click on this retail. It's even simpler now that is here. So once you click on this transparency and privacy policy, all right, you'll then be able to come down here. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see ads from this page. So as you can see, they also have, people managing this page in different countries, right? United Kingdom, Philippines, Germany. Now, if you want to go to this page on the ad library without having to copy and paste, all you need to do is just click on go to ad library, and you are then going to see all of their ads in the ad library. And from here, you can see how they are performing. Can you see they are having video ads, image ads, and this is filtered by active ads. So let's scroll down and see how they are performing. Wow, this is beautiful. So you can even click on the ad to see the pages that they are running ad on. Now you can see that this is actually even missing. Is there something is missing? So for this particular type of ad, this is something that you can, if you know the business, you can even reach out to them and say, oh, your ad is not performing because of so. I have an idea of how this can help you. And then, because as you can see, this their page is not working at all. Let's see this page if it is working. Yeah, you can see that this particular page is working, but that other page is not working. Maybe wrong product link or something like that. But they are using doubleclick.net, so there might be issues with what they have there. Let's check this page. So this particular page is working. So the only page that is affected is that particular page. So that is how to check the Facebook ad library from the page. And if you want to go check the ad transparency tool again, just go to the page, then click on their name, their retail type here. So some of them you will see maybe public figure, you see entrepreneur, but this one is a retail company. Just click on it, and then it will bring you to transparency and privacy, and then go to the ad library. In fact, you can even click here to see more. You can see they have Ireland, they have United States. So they have 16 people in the United Kingdom. Of course, it's Sainsbury's, and they have 2 people in Philippines and all of that. So that is how to do it. If you have any question about this, please drop it in the comment section. And remember, like, share with others so that they can learn from it, and follow for more videos like this.